Hi, I am Ramakrishna Shastri, faculty in law for CA. Now, let us discuss quasi contracts. Quasi means partially. That means the relationship between two parties is not completely contract, it is partly contract. How? Sometimes, automatically a relationship between two parties will arise without any efforts on the part of the parties, such that when you view the relationship from the angle of one person, it will resemble contract. The same transaction, when you view from the other person, from the angle of the other person, it will resemble tort. A quick recap. Behind an obligation or enforceability, if there is an agreement, then it is a contract. Behind an obligation or enforcement, if there is no agreement, it is tort. Now, the essential feature of a contract is right in personam, jus in personam, privity of contract, also known as vinculum juris. All the four are same. What is right in personam? In contract, a person has a specific right against the other party. If X is the offerer, Y is the offeree, and a contract is created between them, X has a right only against Y and Y has a right only against X. This is called privity of contract, right in personam. Now, what is tort? Behind an obligation, if there is no legal agreement, then we call it as tort. I have already given you an example. When a person takes his dog for a morning walk, an obligation is imposed on him by law that his dog shall not bite any passerby. Similarly, if you own a house, you have a right against the whole world that you shall not be disturbed by any person in the society. If anybody wants to enter into your house, he shall knock the door, get your permission and enter. If he enters without your permission, barges into your house, it is called trespass. Trespass is also a tort. I think this is enough. Now coming back to our discussion, quasi-contract. If the relationship between two parties is automatically created such that from the angle of one party it resembles contract because of a right in personam, and from the angle of the other party it resembles tort because there is an obligation without an agreement in the background, then the relationship between them is called tort. With a simple example, I will explain. X and X dash are identical twin brothers. Y borrows a loan from X, let us say 2 lakhs. Because of the identity in resemblance, Y mistakes X dash to be X and repays the loan to X dash. X dash happily takes the money. Actually, the money belongs to X. Now, automatically a relationship is created, legal relationship is created between X and his twin brother X dash. Now from the angle of X, if you view the relationship, having known that his money 2 lakhs is collected by his brother X dash, he can enforce it against his brother X dash only and recover it. So it is a right in personam from the angle of X. Therefore from the angle of X, it resembles contract. Now come to the angle of X dash. X dash has an obligation to return that money to X, his brother, twin brother. Now, this obligation to return the money does not arise because of an agreement with X. An obligation without an agreement resembles tort. So, from the angle of X, it resembles contract. From the angle of X dash, it resembles tort. Therefore, between X and Y, there is a quasi-contract. I hope it is clear, and let us see in the forthcoming videos more rules. Stay tuned, subscribe for the videos and also press the bell. Thank you.